Hey everybody, second owner here. So I will be teaching you how to use Videostar. This part that I'm making right now is going to be for keyframes and how to use them for free. And then my next part is going to be how to use the free QR codes. So I just quickly chose a sound which I muted because I didn't want it to be in the way of everything when I played it. And I already splitted the scenes. So if you want to do a quick split, which is only one, you just have to mark it as your spot and then press split and then do that. So I'm going to quickly do that. And now you have like a little splitted scene. But if you want to do multi-split, you can pause it and set, or you can just like set it, just cancel the split. Okay, now if you want to merge the scene, you press set start in one scene and then press set end in the other, which I'm going to keep it that way because I'm only using 2 pictures today. So if you want to import a photo, you just press new and press import photo. And I already saved 2 pictures. And you can adjust them right there. You can make it however you want. Like your little canvas, like that. Like if you wanted to zoom in on a picture, it would save like that. If you want to zoom out on a picture, it could save like that. Or you can just do this, and it sets it as like your little default layout that you chose. So now I have the 2 pictures. So what you want to do when you use the keyframes and you press new and you press multi-layer. Then you press the little layer thing and you press your picture. Always, when you have the free pack, always avoid pressing the second one or else it'll have a little demo thing up there. So just always avoid that or else you cannot create your clip that you make. So you gotta press edit keyframes. Keep in mind, making keyframes with only 1 layer is free. So if you want to do a little transition, sorry, I don't even know why I pressed keyframes. I cannot speak. You have to press layout. You can choose your own little transition thing. You can do, I'm going to go ahead and use VR rotate. This is totally free. I've never seen this before. I've never used this transition, I don't think. Okay, yeah, this is what I'm gonna use. And then alternate, I think is oh. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and use variable. So now when you do, you wanna press edit keyframes. And you wanna make it towards the end to where your transition's gonna be, obviously. So when you want to put your little transition in there, you need to press the little thing under opacity. This should change to layout. It's the same thing with color, on the size. So for this, you want to put it to at least maybe I'm going to put it to 66. So when you do it, it's going to be in the middle of doing your little transition. And you don't want that. So you're going to want to make it closer to the end, maybe here, not too close or else it'll be really choppy. So now it'll be waiting for your clip and then it should go into your transition. And now you don't want it to be just like this. That's gonna be too plain. So you want to press your little arrow and that should go to your little clip, a little line thing. And you want to press this button right here. And I suggest for your opening transition that you use one of these. And I think I might, let's see which one's best. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use this one because it looks more smooth that way. And the difference between this one and that one is that they start different. So that one, as you can see, stops at the end, and you're not going to want that or else it'll be a little freeze frame. So you would want to use this one because it goes slow at the beginning and goes faster at the end. So this is what you have as your little first clip, and you have to press create. Now, you want to go to your second clip and then press multi-layer again. Press the thing, and you're going to have to choose the same layout as you chose last. which mine was VR rotate. Now you want to go to keyframes, and now instead of being at the end, it's going to be at the beginning. So layout now, since it was at like 66 last time, it's going to be like a little spin, so it's going to have to go down. So it's going to go from 66, I think is what it was, 66 or 65, whatever you want it to be, to at least to its like little thing. Okay, wait, that like does like a full spin, doesn't it? No, it doesn't. Wait, I forgot to set it as variable. Okay. Go to edit keyframes now. Okay, it should be like that. Now, you're not gonna want to do the same thing as you did last time, or else it's gonna look like this. And you don't want that. You're gonna press the opposite of what you did. So it looks like this. And if you don't want it to be that fast, you can always move this right here. Press a little X and move it right here if you want to. And why isn't it on a variable like I want it to be? Oh, big rat. All right, you're gonna want to choose your thing. And it looks like that. So if you want it to be like slower, then you can. If you want it to be faster, which is what I'm gonna do, I just put that as an example. And this is what I want, right? Okay. And there you have it, your little transition. And obviously your video is not gonna be 2 clips. So if you're gonna make more, this is gonna be like, say this is your start, and this is your second clip, and you're gonna keep going on and on. You're gonna wanna make a transition to that, which you cannot do 2 transitions at once. So you have to make your little first transition, and then you wanna press multi-layer again and click the third option. And you're gonna press layout and choose a different layout right here. And say you wanted to do slides, which is a pretty nice one. I really like slides. Let's go ahead and put that like that. And then say like it was just like a really quick clip. You just want to make your slide. It's gonna look like that when you first do it, so you have to put it at 0. Then you want to choose that one, I think. And there you have it. Your little like transition, but it's gonna look like that because it's like longer. I'm just like putting it as an example, so I'm just gonna take it off real quick. Cancel. So if you're just looking at this like little tutorial, like just to learn, you now know how to make a transition, but with keyframes. And yeah, that's your little free clip right here. And if you want to learn how to use the QR codes, just stay tuned for my next video that I make. So yeah, see you guys later.